Hey everyone, Blake here from C&S Corvettes, and today we are breaking down the top 5 parts we replace here every month. Some of these are basic maintenance, some of them are upgrades, and some of the weak points that we find on the C5, C6, and C7 Corvettes. If you own one, you've probably already dealt with this, and if you haven't, then you're probably going to in the future. So let's get right into it. Number 1 is the stuff people usually put off. Fluid services. Transmission fluid, differential fluid, brake fluid, coolant, all those need to be changed. Now, I know you guys are gonna jump on me, but synthetic fluid does not break down over time from the car from sitting. I understand that. Here's what happens though. The system takes on moisture. Additives can separate over time, and condensation forms on the inside of the diff, transmission, and brake system, especially on cars that aren't driven often. Changing fluid isn't about the oil breaking down. It's about removing the moisture and contamination from a system that has been sitting. Fresh fluid helps these cars shift better, brake better, and run cooler. If you don't remember the last time it was done, it's probably worth doing. Number 2 is C5 LED lighting upgrades. This isn't a failure or a fix, it's an upgrade that we do here constantly. The original halogens are weak, they're yellow, and they make the car a little dated. Our LED kits brighten the headlights, taillights, and interior. It's a cleaner, brighter, and actually more useful at night look. Once a C5 gets LEDs, it doesn't go back. Number 3, the C6 automatic shifter harness. That harness has 2 micro switches attached to it that tell the car what gear you're in. Those switches wear out, become inconsistent, and the car stops getting the correct signal. When that happens, 2 things can happen. The dash flashes shift to park, where the shifter is stuck in park, or the car won't come out of park because it's not getting the correct signal. Once the micro switches start acting up, the car either will stay stuck or it'll keep on throwing those warnings until the harness is replaced. Number 4, the C5 and C6 front engine kit and oil pan gaskets. We install this kit consistently. It includes the crankshaft pulley, the front crank seal, the belts, the tensioners, either pulley bolt, and the crank pulley pin kit, so that the pulley cannot move ever again. By this age, the front seals have started to go and the oil pan gasket isn't far behind it. We replace both of those so that the engine leaves here clean, dry, and healthy for years to come. Number 5, and the actually most common one on the list, torque tube rebuilds. C5, C6, and C7 all run a torque tube, and they all eventually have the same issues. The bearings wear out, the couplers tear or separate, and you'll feel vibration in the driver's seat running down the length of the car. We rebuild multiple torque tubes every month. New bearings, couplers, and seals, and the driveline goes back to being smooth and quiet the way you remember it. If you're experiencing a vibration down the center of the car, that's probably the culprit. So that's it. The 5 jobs that are constantly coming in through the doors at C&S Corvettes here. If your car is experiencing any of these issues or you're looking to have these upgrades, do not stress about it. We have all these items on the shelves and we do these jobs all the time. Thanks for hanging out with me on Blake's Takes. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And condensation from the system, why am I touching the microphone? Those switches wear out and get inconsistent. And blah, 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 blah. Those switches wear out, become inconsistent, and the car stops getting the signal to tell it it's in the right. No. Number 4. Number 4. C5 and C6 front engine oil. The crank pulley pin, blah, blah, blah. Why do I always f this one up? Remember that Tony makes me do this shit. Why don't you say all this since you sound so good at saying it?
Because I like when you say Corvette buddy.
Corvette buddy. And please remember that Lyle is trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you or any of your Corvette buddies can subscribe, please do.